Hello, traders. It is March the 22nd. My name is Andy with Trade Ideas. I'm sorry, March the 27th on a Monday. And the SPY this morning, and we're taking a look at the market, kind of gapping up and getting the banks with a nice little lift overnight, gapping up in the banks. It's kind of helping the averages here. But let's take a look at some of the setups that we're seeing. There's three that I'm really liking today. Tesla is one of them. Okay, where you can see right now it's been holding this 20 period moving average. Okay, I'm looking for possible a move above Friday's high. And actually, there goes my alert. But anyway, you can see what I'm talking about as I zoom out. I'm just liking the setup here as a nice little move, pulling back for 3 days, keeps bouncing off the 20 period moving average. You might want to watch Tesla with a continuation move. Amazon, I like these ones a lot of times that haven't moved. It's just a nice setup. You can get more bang for the buck when they do go instead of buying breakouts. But I like the way it defended these two moving averages with a nice bottoming tail right there. It's what we call a bottoming tail, and you can see it's gapping up this morning. So keep an eye on Amazon. Remember, these are swing trade ideas. Another one could be explosive is Akamai. And you can see here the huge pivot level at this high here. There's your what was old support is now resistance. Hit it right there, and we hit it a couple of times right here. If it does get through the 76 level, could have a nice little move there in Akamai for a potential swing trade. Other than that, be careful. I think a lot of the moves today is in the banks gapping up. Actually, the technology is not gapping up that much, so keep it tight. And you guys have a great day. But those are three decent ideas. Bye bye.